Imagine walking into an English-speaking country and understanding almost everything people say. Sounds amazing, right? The first step to achieving this is learning the most essential words that everyone needs to know before anything else. These 100 words will help you talk, understand, and feel confident in daily life. English can feel big and confusing, but don't worry. By learning the right words, you can communicate easily and understand more than you think. The words here are for A2 level learners, which means they are simple, practical, and used every day. Each word comes with a clear example sentence so you can see how it works in real life. 100 essential English words, A2 level, with examples. 1. Able. Having the skill or power to do something. I am able to help you with your homework. 2. About. Concerning or on the subject of. We talked about your favorite movie. 3. Above. In a higher place than something. The lamp is above the table. 4. Accept. To agree to receive something. I accept your apology. 5. Accident. Something bad that happens unexpectedly. He broke his arm in a car accident. 6. Across. From one side to the other. She walked across the street carefully. 7. Act. To do something or behave in a particular way. You should act politely with strangers. 8. Activity. Something you do for fun or work. Swimming is my favorite activity. 9. Add. To put something with something else. Please add some sugar to my tea. 10. Afraid. Feeling fear. I am afraid of spiders. 11. After. Later in time. We will go to the park after lunch. 12. Again. One more time. Can you say that again? 13. Against. Opposing or in contrast to. They are against this new rule. 14. Age. The number of years someone has lived. My sister is 18 years of age. 15. Ago. In the past. I met her 2 weeks ago. 16. Agree. To have the same opinion. I agree with your idea. 17. Air. The invisible gas we breathe. The air is very fresh in the mountains. 18. All. Every person or thing. All students must study hard. 19. Also. In addition. I like coffee. I also like tea. 20. Always. All the time. She always wakes up early. 21. Angry. Feeling strong unhappiness or annoyance. I am angry because my phone is broken. 22. Animal. A living creature. Elephants are big animals. 23. Another. One more. Different from the first. I want another slice of cake. 24. Answer. A reply to a question. Can you answer this question? 25. Any. One, some, or all without specifying. Do you have any pencils? 26. Anyone. Any person. Anyone can join the class. 27. Anything. Any object or thing. Is there anything I can do for you? 28. Apartment. A set of rooms to live in. I live in a big apartment in the city. 29. Appear. To come into view or become visible. The sun appeared after the rain. 30. Apply. To ask for something officially. I want to apply for a new job. 31. Area. a place or region. This area is very crowded. 32. Arm, the part of the body from shoulder to hand. He broke his arm while playing football. 33. Around, near or surrounding something. There are many shops around my house. 34. Arrive, to reach a place. We arrived at the airport on time. 35. Art, painting, drawing, or creative work. I like modern art. 36. Article, a piece of writing in a magazine or newspaper. I read an interesting article about health. 37. Ask, to request information or help. Can I ask you a question? 38. At, in a particular place or time. I will meet you at 5 o'clock. 39. Attack, to try to hurt or damage. The dog tried to attack the thief. 40. Attention, focusing your mind on something. Please pay attention to the teacher. 41. Aunt, the sister of your mother or father. My aunt lives in London. 42. Author, the person who writes books or articles. J.K. Rowling is a famous author. 43. Autumn, the season between summer and winter. Autumn is my favorite season because of the colors. 44. Away, at a distance from a place. He is away on a business trip. 45. Baby, a very young child. The baby is sleeping now. 46. Back, the rear part, or to return. I will be back soon. 47. Bad, not good. The food tastes bad. 48. Bag, something to carry items in. I have a new school bag. 49. Ball, a round object used in games. The children are playing with a ball. 50. Bank, a place to keep money. I need to go to the bank to withdraw cash.